Imagine walking into an old wooden barn somewhere in the American countryside. Dust floating in the sunlight. The smell of dry wood and forgotten memories in the air. Under a faded canvas cover, you notice a classic British silhouette, rounded fenders, a proud chrome grille, and that unmistakable vintage elegance. You slowly pull the cover back, and there it is. A 1954 Rover, sitting silently for decades. This isn't just a car. It's a time capsule from post-war Britain. And today, we're talking about what makes a 1954 Rover barn find in America so incredibly special. The 1954 Rover most people refer to as part of the Rover P4 series, often nicknamed anti-Rover, because of its dignified, upright styling. Back in the 1950s, Rover was known for producing refined, well-engineered sedans that blended conservative design with impressive build quality. Unlike flashy American cars of the same era, the Rover P4 focused on craftsmanship, smooth driving comfort, and understated luxury. From the outside, the 1954 Rover P4 carries a very distinct personality. The rounded body lines, separate front fenders, and tall greenhouse design give it a commanding but gentle presence. The chrome grille stands proud at the front, flanked by classic circular headlamps. The long hood and smooth curves reflect early 1950s European styling, elegant, formal, and timeless. Even after sitting untouched for years in a barn, the design still feels classy rather than outdated. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that feels more like a traditional British study than a car cabin. Wood trim stretches across the dashboard. Large, simple gauges sit directly in front of the driver. The steering wheel is thin and oversized, typical of the era, and the seats are wide and comfortable. Rover engineers focused on comfort and quietness, making it a refined cruiser rather than a sports machine. Even today, when restored, the cabin feels warm and inviting, a true reflection of 1950s British luxury. Now let's talk about performance. The 1954 Rover P4 models typically came with inline-six engines, depending on the specific version, such as the Rover 75 or Rover 90. These engines were not built for high-speed racing but for smooth, reliable cruising. Power output ranged roughly between 75 to 90 horsepower, which was respectable for a European executive sedan of that time. Paired with a manual gearbox, the driving experience was calm and controlled. The car was designed for steady highway travel and dignified city driving. One interesting fact is that Rover vehicles from this era were known for their strong engineering. Many of them featured advanced suspension setups for improved ride comfort. That's one reason why finding a 1954 Rover in a barn today doesn't automatically mean it's beyond saving. These cars were built solidly, and with proper restoration, they can return to the road with surprising grace. But what makes a 1954 Rover barn find in America even more fascinating? Simply put, rarity. Rover was primarily a British brand, and while some vehicles were exported, they were never as common in the United States as American classics like Ford or Chevrolet. So discovering one in an American barn adds a layer of uniqueness. It represents a piece of British automotive history that somehow made its way across the Atlantic and survived decades in hiding. For collectors, a barn find like this is exciting for multiple reasons. First, originality. Many barn finds retain their factory paint, original interior materials, and matching engine components. Second, historical value. Every scratch, every layer of dust tells a story. And finally, restoration potential. When restored correctly, a 1954 Rover P4 can stand proudly at classic car shows, drawing attention precisely because it's different from the typical American classics. In today's automotive world filled with high-tech dashboards and turbocharged engines, a 1954 Rover reminds us of a slower, more elegant era. It's not about speed. It's about presence. It's about craftsmanship. It's about preserving history. So yes, finding a 1954 Rover barn find in America is not just possible, it's a rare and special discovery. It connects two automotive cultures, British refinement and American classic car passion. If you enjoyed this journey into classic automotive history, make sure to subscribe for more videos about rare and forgotten cars from around the world. There's always another hidden gem waiting to be discovered.